Flying paper box. No glue, no scissors, just one sheet of paper. Want to impress your friends or simply have fun? This clever paper creation actually flies. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to fold a simple yet amazing flying box. You'll only need one sheet of paper. A4 works best. No glue, no tape, no cutting. It's not just fun to make. It can actually glide through the air, perfect for kids, origami beginners, or anyone who loves quick and impressive DIY projects. Watch closely, follow each step, and in just 5 minutes, you'll have your very own flying paper box. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more awesome ideas coming soon.
light.